Blue is my favorite color. Yeah.
Okay, she gets it. You got it right.
I got it right. I said ये green flag interview में बोल देता हूँ शायद इसी में.
ये होती है पथरी मिलाना guys.
So the first time that we went out, I said, "Can we go back to your house?"
And I was so excited. Can you imagine what I was thinking? I mean, can you imagine this? Somebody saying, "Can we go to your place?" I'm like, whoa.
What if I realize at the end of this interview that you're not agreeing?
मैं तो कब से कह रहा हूँ.
I had one thing that I wanted to check, which I did before we got married. It's all separate and divided and clear.
We don't have a joint account.
We don't have a joint.
Yeah. I mean, we
Mukul
didn't
says
have
he
money.
married me because I used to drink some cheap wine and I was
She
very
said-
happy with that cheap wine. You know, these
An expression
token
of love,
expression
yeah.
of love. We are both terrible. I'm the most non-bahu possible in this world, I think.
Who is most likely to say sorry after making a mistake?
Yeah.
But yeah, we were dating for about a year and then we got married.
Yeah, a
So
year.
that was pretty quick.
Is it too good to be true? लड़ते किस बात पे?
Of course we fight.
Oof.
About what?
सब्जी कौन सी बनानी है?
Please.
The cameras have picked up. She said tendli parwal. The favorite
They're
sabzi.
great sabzis. They're very healthy.
Okay, because I'm from a Punjabi family and
So
I
am
know
I.
exactly how painful it can be when you decide to get married.
That's why this marriage is probably harder than an average regular couple.
Or maybe that's why it's working. I don't even know.
I go afraid of the F word, being a feminist.
No, not at all.
Hi, I'm
Mukul
Rasika
Chadda
Dugal.
and
We are
we're
on
the
Superwomania Green Flag Edition with Stuti.
Hi guys, welcome to an interview that doesn't feel like one. It feels like I'm sitting with friends. यहाँ पे एक साक्षात ग्रीन फ्लैग मौजूद हैं
जिनको हमने बहुत बुली किया है अभी.
जो बहुत प्यार से कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स लेते हैं. मुकुल चड्डा, वेलकम टू द सुपर वुमनिया शो.
Thank you very much. Very well. Thank you very much. I feel very
Very welcome.
warmly welcome here. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
एंड ये हैं हमारी मतलब यू आर अ मेंबर ऑफ द सुपर वुमनिया क्लब.
Yes, I
लाइक
am.
यू हैव बीन ऑन द शो सो मेनी टाइम्स. रसिका तो घर की बात लग रही है, बट हमने डिसाइड किया कि हम इनको बुलाएंगे बिकॉज विमेंस मंथ 8th of March International Women's Day. Suddenly the world and their chacha tayas wake up to how amazing women are. Okay, this is what we do through the year. So we said क्या अलग कर सकते हैं. तो हमने कहा हम green flag से बात करेंगे.
Green
so
flag.
Rasika is here to validate your green flag status.
What if I realize at the end of this interview that you're not agreeing?
मैं तो कब से कह रहा हूँ. मैं तो कब से कह रहा हूँ. I don't even understand this term green flag. That's what I'm saying.
Okay, what do you understand of it?
I don't understand. I understand red flag. That certain things are red flag by certain
But
people.
you are not a red flag. This you know. There's awareness.
So if you want to go a step further, I don't know if there are people. Okay, because this is now a popular thing that is discussed in many interviews now, red flag, green flag, etc. To my understanding, there are what you'd call red flag behaviors, right? But I don't know whether people are categorically red flag.
Don't
You know?
seriously ले लिया.
नहीं मैं सोचा बहुत seriously ले रहा हूँ मैं. I'm sense that if so that then I don't understand what the whole thing is. And if green flag is just the absence of a red flag, then चलो फिर ठीक है. But that's about 90% of humanity, I would hope, or more.
Oh, ask
I
us
would
women.
also hope, but
होप पे तो दुनिया कायम है. बहुत कम ग्रीन फ्लैग्स
This
हमें
is
मिल
a
रहे
very
हैं.
interesting interview. You all are putting me in a special club and I'm saying no.
yeah, you're
I'm saying no.
resisting
I'm
that.
saying
And
नहीं.
this is exactly what Rasika told me about you कि you are amazing at taking compliments. तो हमें दिख रहा है कि आप बस कुछ कर.
I'm just honest and truthful.
ये बेज फ्लैग बनने को तैयार है.
हाँ, ये nuance,
beige flag, beige
nuance
flag.
के पीछे पड़े हैं.
Beige flag, grey flag is correct. Yes.
No, beige.
अच्छा ठीक है.
हाँ.
ठीक है.
Okay, so you guys have no idea, you know, this हम क्या बातें कर रहे हैं about compatibility and husband-wife relation. We should just do a show on coffee and Mukul ordering coffee for us.
Because we had an episode of how I ordered this coffee and with difficulty.
एक कॉफी के लिए आपके इतने नखरे हैं.
नहीं नखरे नहीं
लाइफ
है.
पार्टनर के लिए कितने आपने मतलब कितने आपके टिक्स होंगे.
नहीं नखरे नहीं. It's I am I'm a lightweight coffee drinker. So wherever I go, and coffee has become this big thing now wherever you go. But I ask for, so people ask for double shot, single shot. I ask for a half of a single shot because that's what I like drinking.
Half of a single shot.
Half of a single
और
shot.
इनको आधी कॉफी मिल जाती है.
वो that's what happened.
Half
आधी कॉफी
cup
आ
ले
जाती
आते हैं
है.
लोग.
मैं half बोल देता हूँ. They give half a cup. Or they think that single shot is half of a double shot.
Yeah.
So then they say that must be, who drinks half a shot, for example. I've got to the point of saying 10 ml. but that
Feels
also
like a
is
test, like a
Yeah.
code lab.
Next time we'll carry a peg measure.
It is kind of crazy. So generally, I drink coffee only at home because it's much easier.
Yeah.
So no, lovely, but I like this.
Yeah.
This is peculiar. This is amazing. You're very specific about the kind of coffee you
Because I
like.
just find it too strong.
So were you this specific about the life partner you wanted to have?
Was I this specific about the life partner? No, I just got very
Sweetness 10 ml, baki spicy
Please,
chalega.
you didn't hear what he said.
What?
lucky. I just got very lucky.
See, I made him say it again.
Yeah, she grabbed the opportunity and said, "Huh."
How sweet. That's why you're agreeing.
Arre, my God.
Oh,
okay.
you're going to blush also.
No, I'm not. I'm just like, please. I am not. And there is no such thing.
No, but we're not doing this to pull Mukund's leg. Honestly, this is the first time हम मिल के बैठ के आराम से बात करें. थोड़ी तो मैं टांग खींचूंगी.
हाँ,
Of course.
है ना?
So fully well.
But
It's
हमने
your show.
आपका काम देखा है. And you're so good. Such a lovely
Thank you.
artist. We loved you
Thank you.
in office. So cool.
Thank you.
And two such nice, genuinely nice people. I say this to Rasika. मुझे ऐसे कई बार लगता है कि are you sure you're part of the industry? Like, probably in a parallel world you're not. Because इतने सुलझे हुए सहज लोग हैं आराम से. कोई ऐसे होइची नहीं कोई
The bulk of the industry is all whack jobs.
No, they're not.
I don't know. I don't know.
Actually, not the
Baby के
people
लिए
I am-
juice लाओ, कोई छतरी लेके. You guys are
I
very
think that's
normal,
probably
chilled out.
That's probably
in the
myth or the
places I've worked in, I have never seen this.
Yeah, and the people you worked also.
Yeah. They've been मतलब कुछ ज़्यादा ही nice.
So खैर इन्होंने तो बोल दिया he's very lucky. अब आप भी add to that.
अब मैं तो ये नहीं बोल सकती that I'm also lucky because वो boring सा answer हो जाएगा.
That's true. It is a boring answer.
अब
Give a better answer than that. Yeah.
क्या बोलूं? I तो didn't go out looking for anything.
Rasika was young and naive.
Yeah, I was young and
She got
naive.
fooled.
I was only thinking about my work and I was like, oh.
Come on, women always know, Rasika. You cannot be saying I didn't know.
I didn't. I mean, I was not looking to get married at that time at all.
Fair enough, but this one guy is interested in you. You couldn't.
Oh, that like no.
Correction. How do you know she was not interested in me?
Actually, I was equally
True,
interested
yeah.
in him. It was.
No, because she said I didn't know. That's
No,
why.
I didn't know what I was looking for. So I
But I
was
think
not
that is
going
true,
around
right?
looking
Yeah,
for something in
yeah.
particular.
Unlike coffee, where one is very
Yeah.
specific. I think one doesn't know entirely.
I didn't know if I
right?
wanted a
That-
single shot or a 10 ml.
Yeah,
or
this plus this or this. Some people have those things actually. I have some friends who say that I'm looking for this in a guy or a girl,
Yeah.
and they're very specific. And
They are young and naive.
the joke is also that the people they end up marrying are the complete opposite of what they have
That is
put down in a
true.
notebook.
That is
because,
true.
Because you don't know, and
Yeah.
yeah.
But
it's
the
just-
people I was surrounded by at that time, my close friends who were also young and naive, equally young and naive, but had a list. They had like, they should be like this, like this, like this.
Yeah.
And I was like, I don't have this list. I don't know what you guys are talking about. So I was quite listless. And then I met Mukul.
So cool, yeah. Okay, Touchwood, 14 years together. And बहुत लंबा courtship भी नहीं था.
बहुत ही
झट मंगनी पट ब्याह. Like you both were convinced कि this is the perfect taste of coffee.
Yeah, I was surprised by that actually. I didn't think. I also thought कि ये जल्दी नहीं हो रहा है. I mean, like in at a level of. But हो गया. I mean, it was one of those things that also felt right. So one went along with it.
Yeah.
But yeah, we were dating for about a year and then we got married.
a
So
year.
that was pretty quick. My only thing was that when we decided to get married, I didn't want a long engagement. Because I'm from a Punjabi family and
So
I know
am I.
exactly how painful it can be when you decide to get married and then the whole run up to the prep and to the wedding is a pain. I was ready like this weekend, if you want to get married, let's get married. Let's not give.
ऐसे हुई है.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं हुआ, but I
That's
was like.
because I said no. I know, but at that time when he said this, I said, Dare, this is, you're being so cold about this and you not have any excitement associated with this. And I felt very like,
Yeah.
I said, but, enjoy this and celebrate it rather than, just getting it
Finish
done.
it off, yeah.
Rather
Which was
than-
my thinking on it. The ceremony, I was like.
But
that's-
once the wedding was done, I was like, there isn't a smarter thing than this. Because if we had prolonged it, oh my God, it would have been so painful. Like, sabki families aake would have descended their aspirations on you. I mean, please, it would have been too much to handle. So yeah, this was very, very sound advice and I'm glad we took it.
Yeah, I was like, jaldi, if you're doing it, then let's do it quickly because that's not.
हम एक quick fun compatibility test करने वाले हैं.
Okay.
जी.
So I want to give you boards and you have to write.
Oh, right, अच्छा.
So पतरी नहीं मिलाएगी ना आप लोग?
नहीं नहीं. I
तो
don't
हम
think
मिला
so.
रहे हैं.
चलो,
हाँ, चलो.
चलो, let's.
चलो.
तो हम compatibility test करेंगे. You have to answer for her. You have to answer for him. Favorite color
You
क्या
have to
है?
cover this, Rasika. She's showing.
Color.
Favorite color? Oh, is that tough
Rasika's
one,
favorite color and Mukul's favorite.
He doesn't know.
I don't know the answer
What
to
is
this.
that? Mukul, you have to win this. I was told you're very competitive.
I'm losing badly. I'm
I
doing
also
this-
don't know, but I'll try.
I'm doing this for.
Black. Is she right? You can show each other.
Huh? Blue is my favorite color.
Okay, she gets it.
You got it right, boy.
I got it right. I said the green flag interview में बोल देता हूँ शायद इसमें.
Rasika loves
Clever.
green color, green flag, everything.
Clever,
Okay.
Mukul.
I was nervous on this one.
I thought you'd totally get it
Okay,
wrong.
and all-time favorite film that she will never refuse watching. Same for him.
That she, I know. what she-
All-time
this is-
favorite guilty pleasure type movie that he will never say no to.
I don't think he will. I don't know if he'll agree to this, but I think.
Okay, you really agree? मैंने प्यार किया रसिका. And is she right?
What is it? No. But it's a great film. It's a great film. It's not my favorite film, but it's a great film.
It's a great film. I
Guilty
would like to know
pleasure,
your
yes.
Guilty pleasure, but it's a
Which one is yours? What answer should she have written to win this?
a disco dancer. I'll put above this.
Oh.
Disco dancer is
No,
yours.
but I've said favorite
But
films
she
of all
said
time.
guilt-
Jo Jeeta Wohi Sikandar.
She said guilty pleasure.
Guilty pleasure, okay.
This is your guilty pleasure.
No, he's not convinced. Now you're trying to yeah, मेरे मौके को influence कर रही है. Okay, but he got it right. Not bad. Okay,
She's seen this
2-1.
23 times.
But this is also not right technically.
This is not your favorite guilty pleasure.
This I've seen 23 times.
That-
Mr. India is my favorite.
That is true. Mr. India is a favorite.
I like how आपस में
We are
sorting
taking
it out.
points. हाँ, चलो.
score क्या है फिर?
पता नहीं आप
1-1.
बताओ.
1-1 only. Okay. Her favorite holiday destination. His favorite holiday destination.
Oh shit. Holidays that we've done.
कुछ भी whatever. Your favorite. ये होते हैं पथरी मिलाना guys.
हाँ.
वाह.
ये तो हो गया.
ये तो हो गया. अब समझ में आया हमें. Okay. Her best friend in the industry. His best friend in the industry.
In the
In
industry.
the industry,
मुश्किल
best
है ये.
friend.
अच्छा जो friend.
General friend, best friend.
एक.
हाँ मतलब
Now you'll
एक
get me in trouble with the other.
Yeah, this is a
Tingo.
very dangerous question to answer.
कर लो.
Okay, I'm putting two options. Just general best friend, right? Not industry, right?
मैं लिख रहा हूँ सब सारे एक मिनट.
Sorry.
You've written his. Okay.
चलो मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ.
Look at he's
Correct.
करेक्ट है ना? ठीक है.
all of them.
Yeah, they're one group.
हाँ ये भी सही है.
Look and not bad. He's written all. ये होता है green flag के
How?
कारनामे.
Because he knows I'll get into trouble
Yeah,
if he leaves
देख.
anybody out of that group.
Okay. Takiya kalam as they say, you know, her go-to phrase, the one line that she says, one phrase he says all the time.
There's a reason why I'm writing it thrice. Because this is how he says it.
So cute.
This is how he
What
says
is
it.
Oh yeah.
He says sorry. It's never sorry. It's like sorry.
Kids, that's all you have to say to be a green
This
flag.
is not. ये गलत है. ये
ये
इसके
गलत
points
है?
काट दो. ये नहीं.
क्या?
Really?
You don't even realize how often you say this.
Really? चलो.
Okay. The biggest turn off in a person for her. Biggest turn off in a person for him.
In other people.
In a person.
Other people.
What you get turned off by.
Actually, this might be
This is a
similar for
tricky
us.
One, yeah?
Oh,
I'm struggling
Asha.
with this.
Wait.
For her. She's answering, by the way.
I know she is. I'm struggling. Biggest turn off in a person for her.
There were so many Mukul for me.
Yeah, I'm just wondering.
You've become pensive.
No,
like
I'm struggling. This one, I'm like.
I don't know how to phrase this shortly, but
It's okay. You've written an essay. We will resort to a verbal answer now. Okay, boring people. People asking him to do something
I don't
that.
know, huh?
I love boring people. What's wrong
Yeah,
with
I'm
you?
very confused with this answer. It's not, I'm
this is-
admitting that I got
no,
this
I
wrong.
actually love boring people. It's true.
confusing
And I don't
sometimes.
even think people are boring.
Yeah, it's a wrong answer.
cute.
I agree, it's wrong
Okay.
answer.
Complete.
ये क्या है?
Pe- This is true. And this is true.
This is an irritation. Yeah, correct.
Yeah,
People
fine.
asking you to do
perfect.
something
How
without
cute.
checking.
Okay, lovely.
So what is the thing for you?
Think,
Let me
you know
learn-
this,
let
you
me
know
learn
this.
नहीं पर बता तो लो.
Let
You
me
know
learn
this. Think.
Together we'll help him become a greener shade of.
And it's so simple.
Wait. I'll get it. Before the end of the interview, I'll get this answer.
Untidy people.
Untidy can be also for her a turn off, yeah.
वो तो है, but
You built the mystery enough. We really need to know
I'm right
now.
really, yeah, she's making it more
Yeah,
challenging by
yeah.
saying it's so obvious.
It's like the typical
It's
series ka
so
cliffhanger. Now
obvious.
I'm waiting for
It's
answer.
so obvious.
when I say it, you'll say, of course.
Yeah, I know that's going to
Yeah.
happen also.
People giving unsolicited
Oh
advice.
yes, of course. Oh yes.
Unsolicited advice.
yes.
Hate.
Oh,
Hate.
Mistake by me. This is
The
this,
best.
I should have got this.
yeah. Okay, last one. One thing that irritates her in you, one thing that irritates him in you. It's about each other. एक habit आपकी कुछ तो होगी that he gets irritated with.
That he gets irritated with me about. I'm so
Okay.
perfect. Oh.
Right?
Yeah, correct.
Sure. I don't get upset at all. What are you saying?
Oh my god, you guys are amazing. Okay. So हमारी इस
I
game
think
का
I won.
निष्कर्ष ये है कि ये
What is
पत्री
this?
मिल चुकी है.
What is this?
One person is to win again.
Yeah, she's one.
This time it's me.
She's one.
So another quality of a green flag she has.
Yeah.
You know, just सुन रहे हैं और देख रहे हैं. They'll be like, this is too good to be true. लड़ते किस बात पे?
Of course we fight.
About what? I don't believe.
Sabzi kaun si banani hai?
Please.
It's the biggest fight
It
we
is
have.
the biggest fight.
It's the biggest
No,
fight
but
we have.
now
It's a
we've
daily
set-
basis. Yeah,
And
also.
we've settled to that because now I know that he's not going to eat tendli parval. He knows that I'm not going to
Please,
eat
have you
aloo
heard
gobi.
the cameras have picked up? She said tendli parval. They're her favorite
They're
sabzis.
great sabzis. They're very healthy.
Okay, I have nothing to say.
तो आलू गोभी में क्या दिक्कत है?
I don't like.
Oh, many things, see? tendli parval.
Tendli parval is great, guys.
Very few people talk about tiddly parval
Parval
like
is
this.
the best.
What can I say?
I grew up in
What can I say? I
Jamshedpur.
can't
It's
say
a
anything.
bias.
Chalo, Stuti's on my side finally. And then this
Yeah,
You
I was
Bengali yaar, come on,
I know
parval.
Portal is great.
Please, come on.
But
Yeah. Yeah.
My
Then you make
favorites-
compromises the day that say I'm out for lunch. Aaj bana lo. Please,
Yeah,
aaj tendli parval
sometimes I
bana
like
lo.
For Mukul to not be there because I'm like, today I can have sai bhaji. Because he will not
what
have.
is this married life?
What do you mean? This is what it is.
अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ. You know, like he said, you got married 14 years back, young and naive. Now still young and probably smarter. And clearly, touchwood, great choice. हम इतना देखते हैं, you know, why I wanted a man to be part of this conversation is because women are fed up. We are talking to a room, to a bubble. We understand each other. We know where the problem is. But as a man, do you even get the things that frustrate women? When we say red flag, when we say life is unfair or people expect थोड़ा हद से ज़्यादा from women, as a man, do you get that?
The fact that things are unfair, clearly, I mean, I think that's very obvious. It's very difficult
Yeah.
for someone not to get that how much life is more oriented, or society rather is more oriented towards helping men. No question.
No,
about
are you
it.
the one who says International Men's Day में wish करो मुझे?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
But if I can't even answer honestly and say I 100% get what you're going through because it's not possible for me to completely understand, right? I mean, let's say if it's a woman's issue, I
Yeah.
can't be in a position where I say, of course I get it 100%. I can't. I mean, it's not possible, right? I mean, so, which is why, you know, like, which is a big topic of conversation, say, in our industry, like if you are in a writing room, you should have as many women as men because
Correct.
however sympathetic and understanding the man can be, they're not going to get it. Nobody's going to get the other person's
Yeah.
point of view entirely. It's
So
not
you
possible.
need that diversity.
You
that
need it. I mean, and that's
difference
not
in
just true for
opinion.
men, women. That's true for any other kind of, you know,
Correct.
different kind of groups that you have. Nobody's going to get it 100%,
Yeah.
right? And that's why you need that. Correct, exactly.
Do you think he gets it?
Yes, he does. And that's something that was a big green flag
Yeah,
for me
yeah.
because I felt like Mukul understood some things about my situation as a woman, which and he didn't address it as a. What I liked is that he didn't sort of think of it as a woman's issue.
Hmm.
You know, it was a very sort of
So he was sensitive
Sensitive
to, in a very
response
unsaid sort
to
of
say
way.
a group where you had felt that somebody had not
Hmm.
particularly said something had said something to you because of your gender.
Yeah.
And he was very cued into those things, and he was not making a meal of it, and he was not sort of.
How cool. He was perceptive.
He was
about
just
that.
perceptive and sensitive to that.
This is getting
you know?
It's like the two women
Have you
just
ever
saying.
heard me say anything nice about you?
No, rarely.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm more comfortable with that.
He's more
I can see
comfortable.
Mukul is just
ये
turning like.
क्या हो रहा है? What is this interview?
अब क्या करूं? I can't know.
No, go ahead. You go ahead. Please go ahead. Say
Can't
nice
say
things.
bad things.
No, please go.
purposely.
Yeah, correct. Go say nice
So-
things. Say nice
So
things.
that is
नहीं,
something
पर वो
that.
कैसी बात? Just elaborate a little so we understand what you mean. And while she thinks, I want to
Yes.
know from you.
Yeah.
Were there any feminine influence on you when you were growing up that made you
Oh, yeah.
this sensitive? Your mum, your
Yeah, my
sisters?
mom, I have a sister. I think they're both pretty strong in the house.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, they're very strong influences to this day. I mean, in the sense that they're the stronger people in the family. that family.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
for
is
the
there.
question. Yeah,
So I think that kind of.
That has probably informed this kind
that
of
certainly
being.
would have. Yeah.
Yeah.
आपने सोच
It has.
लिया मजा?
मतलब वो ऐसा एक कुछ धमाकेदार इंसिडेंट नहीं है तो वो बोलना मुश्किल हो जाता है but it's like supposing there's a conversation in a room about say some things that women are not usually are not understood, say sport or finance because these are generally things that people feel
Thank you.
so
yeah.
that women won't
Yeah.
have anything to say and unfortunately as I sort of I would if anybody would do a study on me then I think I would sort of
Yeah.
support that stereotype because I know nothing about sport but that's not true so if there's a conversation which where people would kind of not talk to you Mukul will probably be the person who says who would address something to you or would say are you okay is there or
Yeah,
or
yeah,
would sort of include you in the conversation and not sort of leave you out.
Are you afraid of the F word, being a feminist? Are
No,
you-
not at all. I mean, my understand. See, the problem with the feminist word is that everybody's definition of it is different, right?
But there's only one correct
my
definition.
my understanding or my definition of it is that anybody who doesn't believe in men being superior or male chauvinism is a feminist, and then by that definition,
Yeah.
why should you not be a feminist?
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. See, so simply put, it's
That's a very early understanding of the word, and
Yeah.
then by that definition, most people are feminists without realizing that they are.
Yeah.
Because it's taken on different connotations, with and whatever that creates the problem.
एक improv film भी करी आपने,
बिल्कुल.
Fairy Folk. Is marriage a lot like an improv piece? Like you keep working on the material that you have?
Yes, it is because the first rule of improv is you have to yes and. You can't say no but. So that's the first rule of improv, and I think you have to exercise. You have to learn to exercise that in a marriage. Yeah, because the first tendency is always to be argumentative and say no, but you did this and I said this, and you have to finally learn to say yes and and move forward.
So many people will relate to this, and therefore I'm asking this question. हाँ बोला, we want to get married, दिल का मामला. People don't use बहुत सोच के तो ये चीजें होती नहीं.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Okay, now you are married. And you don't know what life has to offer. You of course know this person, and this goes for both of you, but you don't know them completely. Okay?
Still don't.
Yeah.
Yeah, lovely. That's a lovely thing to
It's
say,
true,
that
it's
you're
true,
still
it's true.
discovering shades and aspects of that person. What are the few things you will now advise anyone who is getting married or looking for companionship of any sort to must check? What are those few things? And I'd want to know from both of you. कि ये जरूर देख लेंगे, temperature AC का 16 है या from something like that to something
I'll
bigger.
bring it back to your earlier question on when you said marriage is like an improv film, which is actually a great line. that
Yeah,
you
it's
said.
a great line.
Because I think one of the good things with an improv, whether you're doing on stage or in a film or whatever, unlike in a scripted piece, you know exactly where the scene is going, right? In some sense, you have the lines. Here, you have no idea. You have no idea what's going to come out of the other person, what they're going to say at any point in time. And I think that's true of marriage also. You can't individually script ki ye, even any conversation, any discussion, how it's going to go. You just have to accept that सामने वाला कुछ और बोल सकता है, and you have to incorporate that. And as she said, yes, and it and move on.
Correct.
And I think the only thing that can make an improv scene work, if I have to take that analogy forward to answer your second question, is it works when you have complete trust and respect in the other performer, right? You say that, chalo, I'm going to go along with it because I trust that this other person is also going to, perform. Even though the next dialogue may surprise me completely, and I'm like, ye kya bol rahe hain? Like it's totally different. I didn't think this would go there, but you have some sense of trust that, no, this person also knows what she's doing, and one has to respect that and move on. And I think that's just the only thing I would say in a companionship also. That if you don't have a sense of trust and respect in the other person, then it kind of can all go, But if that's there,
I had one thing that I wanted to check, which I did before we got married. And that was like, my thing was that I'm a stickler for cleanliness.
day one, it wasn't before marriage, it was day one.
That was day one. I didn't want to be in a relationship with somebody who is not tidy.
How nice. Good.
And so the first time that we went out, I said, can we go back to your house?
And I was so excited. Can you imagine what I was thinking? I mean, can you imagine somebody saying, can we go to your place? I was like, whoa.
So I wanted to check.
Rasika, I am you.
So I wanted to check if the flat was clean, because I was like, otherwise...
Surprise check.
Because
so many girls would also get...
Because otherwise, this is it's a no-brainer for me.
Non-starter.
I'm not getting into this if that's not... if that box is not checked, So yeah.
I love you for this. After kya tha?
I was very impressed. So I was like,
I was also very impressed that she suggested it. I was like, this is great. This is massive green flag.
The crockery was nice.
Oh,
The
lovely.
bedspread was nice. It was neat. It was not dirty. I was like, chalo, theek hai.
It was not like a studio pad of a single guy. It was really...
It was decently well
How
kept.
cool,
and
yeah.
all of
I
that.
don't even think I'm that neat, but clearly I passed. It's fine.
And did you tell him why?
Yeah.
Did I tell you?
Yeah, she said.
I wanted to
She
sort
said,
of
she said.
absolve myself
She
of
said,
looking
she
like somebody who wanted to.
She said.
Yeah.
And what was your whole thing about
About?
what she said? Ki,
I mean, I found it a strange comment. Like, okay, that's strange and weird, but whatever.
So good. I love this. Asha, money is generally something जो हर couple fights over. Okay, there are stereotypical jokes about it. खर्चीली औरतें, men are more sensible with money. How is this money talk between the two of you? आप तो banker हैं. आपको तो मैंने अलग भी पूछा, like I am and I like how none of that impressed her except for your clean house.
Oh
Thank
no, but
God
that was
for
such
that.
a big check for my family.
Yeah.
They were like, अच्छा लड़का है हमसे है, ठीक है. Besides, of course, Mukul's very pleasing personality.
Too much is happening.
No, at that time I remember there were these ads that Mukul was in, which was Max Bupa life insurance ads. They had just come out at the time that we were getting married. So for extended family, they used to see him in an insurance ad and say, हाँ ठीक है, ये
We can
लड़का
trust
अच्छा
him.
है, we
Not
can
just
trust
that, the
him.
weird thing about these ads is my family who saw those ads thought the lady playing my wife in those ads was the person I'm marrying. Because people just assume. I don't know why they assume that.
Simple people,
You know,
nice.
someone is saying that Mukul ki shaadi ho rahi hai, haan, he's coming in this ad. So that girl must be the girl. I don't know
Yeah,
why.
that was very
I
strange.
don't understand why they were thinking that, but people think
Yeah,
that.
but then these things we'll never
It's like
understand
people think
about families.
if you do an ad for a car, they think that you've got a car.
Yeah.
So they'll give you a car.
I mean, in that
फिर
sense,
तो कोई chewing gum का ad
that's
करेगा
the-
ही नहीं मतलब.
that's the purpose of an ad.
Yeah.
So it kind
Yeah,
of satisfies
They think
that
that that's what
purpose.
you're going to do.
But to answer your question, actually the way it works between us is it's all separate and divided and clear.
We don't have a joint account.
We don't have a joint.
Yeah.
Oh, great. No joint
We
account.
don't have
And
a joint
plus,
account.
our expenses are not to the point that it becomes
So मेरा
tedious.
पैसा, तेरा पैसा, मेरा
Yeah.
पैसा.
And जो हम एक साथ
Yeah,
करते हैं वो हम equally split, मतलब मोटा मोटी equally split करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि इतनी टेंशन हो जाए इस मामले में
Yeah.
कि जब आप किसी चीज के लिए कार्ड दे रहे हो हम लोग where is your card, ऐसा नहीं है. But it's more or less the bigger things are split equally between us.
Actually, that's something I think we got into early. which
Did
was
you
a-
ever talk about it? Was there like
Yeah,
a
no,
clear chat?
I think we did it at some stage fairly early, and I think that was a good thing and a sensible thing to get into, where our monies are separate. We're both earning, so that's fine. And or there are certain things, that I will spend on, and certain things she will spend on, and then once you are spending your own money, who's the other person to question you? Yeah? So there's no concept of I bought this or I bought that. I mean, who's the other person to say anything? That became very easy actually.
Yeah,
I think
that's
that
actually
part-
pretty simple.
That
But the
part
big
worked.
investments or whatever.
But investment is again, investments is your own again, right? I mean, like, I manage our investments, but hers is separate and mine is separate. I manage for both
And
of us.
sometimes I pay him a fee for it.
Lies, all lies.
Lie,
all
I did.
lies. But she does make me check to say what returns.
I ask for a report.
Yeah, she asks for a
Oh,
report.
no,
She does.
I'm like, I want to check if you're doing well for me. If you're not, I'll go to someone else.
Which is fair. Which I thought was fair when she asked, because she said,
yeah, fair enough.
Not
yeah,
bad.
So for her investments more than mine, I have to keep a more detailed track of how it's performed every 3
Report
months
dena
and
padta
tell
hai.
her, yeah, because that's fair enough. I mean, if
Acha,
she had-
first date, mein, या first couple of dates, I don't know कितना याद है, who paid? Was that a thing? Like, were
I
you
think we-
very कि आधा तभी से या chivalry kind
No,
of?
no, I think it was sometimes I would pay
I
and
can't
sometimes.
remember actually. We went
No.
for a movie.
Because for me, I did have some things that I was
हाँ,
checking. Now
please,
I'm realizing.
please.
हाँ, so-
कि कंजूस तो नहीं है.
नहीं वो
अच्छा,
मुझे
okay.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी बट मुझे लग रहा था कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि उसको लगना चाहिए कि he should only pay because that I don't like.
Yeah,
You know, that's
yeah,
a very,
yeah.
very
And that comes with
guy-
a baggage.
It's
Yeah,
sort
yeah.
of ajeeb kind of very guy thing to do, which I didn't want to. And he was not like that about it. He was like, okay, one day you pay, I'll get this, you get this. You know, it was that kind of a thing.
You don't even realize.
I don't
how-
remember who paid in the first date or first time we went.
They
out.
weren't
We went to a
very
movie.
expensive dates anyway.
Yeah, those days were so good. Yeah.
yeah.
I mean, we
Mukul
didn't
says
have
he
money.
married me because I used to drink some cheap wine and I was
She
very
said-
happy with that cheap wine. And I used to say that यही अच्छा है मेरे
That
लिए.
was the day Rasika said, I can't get, if I can only drink cheap wine. I can't, if it's an expensive bottle of wine, I don't enjoy it. And I said, this is the person I'm going to marry. That was the biggest green flag.
And
I was
I
like,
thought it was going to be true. It changed very quickly, and now I'm so picky about what I eat and drink, and it has to be exactly that, or I will not waste my calories.
देखा. लड़कियां रंग बदल ही लेती हैं.
improv. You don't know what's coming. You don't know what's
don't know
changing.
what's changing.
Okay, who's more romantic, and do you have those expectations? Do you know, the flowers and has he ever written like a handwritten note or poetry or I don't know?
Now at least now the red flag is going to come in now. Like, big
Hand-
red flags are coming in. now.
Handwritten note he has when he's
Handwritten note?
apologized for things. Then
You have apology, the biggest green, it's like a
apologized. I
dark
apologized.
green, absolute forest.
No, I have
He apologized.
I apologize. I'm good at apologizing.
Now you're a forest. What
Oh my
flag?
God,
You
no,
are a
please
forest.
don't even.
So yeah, he's written.
But
A
I'm not-
man who admits to his mistake and apologizes.
But I don't. I write handwritten notes. I'm so bad. My handwriting is so bad.
I've kept them.
Really? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh,
My
she's kept
handwriting
it.
is
The
so
बहुत ही
bad.
romantic couple है.
I must have written something else because the handwriting is so bad.
It's not
that
so
nobody
bad.
can read it.
It's quite okay. No,
But I was very bad in arts and crafts and all those things in school. I could never do this.
But in terms of gifting things to each other or like showing love in these
Expression of love, yeah,
expression
yeah.
of love, we are both terrible.
चलो,
We are both very bad,
फिर
and I think we're both comfortable with that. So I know that he gets shy about something, and he knows that I also get shy about that thing. So there's not too much. This is probably the first time we've had an interview like this, where and you're making us feel comfortable, so we are fine. Otherwise, we are both.
I think you wrote a post also saying that he will kill me for wishing him publicly or something.
Something
Yeah,
else.
Valentine's Day.
Yeah.
Because
And
that.
what do you guys do on Valentine's Day?
We went to see Dhoom Dhaam. Everybody please go watch
Yeah.
Dhoom Dhaam. It's a great
Yeah, we went
Valentine's
to
Day
see
film. I'm in it. Great.
Is that what we did on?
No, not on
That was
Valentine's
one
Day.
night
We went,
before,
we went
obviously.
a couple of days before on the 12th. Yeah.
Yeah, but we didn't do anything on Valentine's Day.
That's the best kind of couple.
Yeah, we didn't do
anything,
See,
no.
we don't even remember.
I don't remember.
Hamara
Is he good with dates?
No.
Birthday, anniversary,
No.
nothing he remembers.
No, I don't know.
Our
Birthday.
birthdays and anniversaries.
Otherwise, we dates are pretty bad. Yeah. Our birthday, her birthday, my birthday. Our
Actually, we are
anniversary.
both terrible with other people's
Yeah.
birthdays.
I'm
and
pretty
dates.
bad. I'm pretty bad.
He's probably worse
I'm
than
sorry.
me. But अपना तो we remember. हाँ,
Yeah,
अपना और
I mean,
अपनी
just
फैमिली का.
1 or 2 days, right? You don't have to
और
remember
जब
that
मेरी
many.
फैमिली का कुछ होता है मैं उसको बता देती हूँ,
हाँ.
उसकी फैमिली का कुछ होता है वो मुझे बता देता है, so it's all sorted.
I'm not. Yeah.
Lovely. So your family must be loving him, this green forest.
Oh
that he-
yes.
That is
That's
so
painful.
Painful. I
It's
hate it.
painful. Hate it. It's very cringe.
yeah, but that is one of the things when you asked right in the beginning, about the advantages men have. I
Yeah.
mean, the son-in-law certainly gets like a
Yeah.
massive, and it's very
Yeah.
evident.
Yeah.
Like, you know,
Yeah.
it's a massive leg up, right? It's very easy being a son-in-law. It's
So full jawai treatment. में.
massive, massive. No, I'm not even pretending. I'm not going to lie about it. It's like.
Yeah.
How nice. And how's the Bahu Roop of Rasika?
I am the most non-bahu possible in this world, I think, and I am not apologizing for it at all. So I am the most non-bahu, but yeah, I mean, what I really like about Mukul's family is they're very excited about my work.
How cool.
Like they're always sort of
Yeah.
celebrating that, and if there's any small article that's come out
Yeah,
and
that's
somebody's cut that article and kept
So
it, or
sweet.
somebody sent it to me, or all of that. And my mother-in-law is the biggest fan of my Instagram.
That's true. I think your father and my mother are the
She
biggest.
calls the moment I post something and she's like, "Kya
Immediately.
kar rahi hai?"
Ah, so sweet.
Immediately.
Like that.
Okay, who's most likely? It's you or the other person, point accordingly. Who's most likely to forget an important date, like an anniversary or a birthday? Jaldi karna.
Both,
jaldi.
sorry, both. Maybe both.
Okay. Who is most likely to say sorry after making a mistake? Who is most likely to stay calm during a stressful situation?
Neither of us.
अरे ये कमल तो बड़ा amazing. Neither of them. Okay.
Me?
Who's most likely to plan surprises? A surprise party or a surprise travel? Oh, you. Okay. बीना जी आप कुछ
Excuse me, कब हुआ है? ये
इसको सरप्राइज करना impossible है.
क्या? I'll
She doesn't
always
like
find
surprises.
out.
She doesn't like surprises. हाँ.
Okay, who's most likely to cook an amazing meal? Who's most likely to get lost even with the GPS? Who's most likely to invite unwanted guests at home? Who's most likely to start an argument? There's a degree of self-awareness here. Who's most likely to be possessive? Who's most likely to say, "I'm not mad," while clearly being mad? Who's most likely to bring things up from an argument from 6 months back?
Both.
He also. I'd probably forget. He'll remember.
Okay, and who's most likely to be able to roast the other person better?
She. Oh.
She's fine.
Yeah, I'm saying she's better at roasting me. Okay.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am better.
ये काफी बहुत क्यों नहीं आंसर भी बदल लिया adjust to each other.
जीतना तो है, जीतना तो है. That's the most one.
Thank you. That
I'm-
was the last one.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
You guys look like you're each other's best friends. Great compatibility. Working the same industry. एक दूसरे का opinion matter करता होगा. Do you have to sugarcoat a lot if you have to give honest feedback to each other? Like, how does that work? Are you guys objective about it? Is it easier to be objective? क्या आप बोल सकते हो कि I did not like this work of yours? Or
मोहब्बत ही नहीं है.
ah,
But I think with anything you're giving any feedback to anyone, I wouldn't say sugarcoat, but with any good feedback,
you
give
have
somebody,
to. There's a way you
You-
put
yeah,
it.
you- there's a way to
Because
do it,
we're in
because
the
otherwise-
profession, we know that, I mean, for example, I think it's an understanding between us that अगर उस दिन कुछ काम निकला है अभी शो करके आए हैं तो maybe that's not exactly the time to give the most honest feedback, you know, that you need,
Or you know the other factors that went into
yeah,
it.
you
probably.
understand
Yeah,
what
yeah,
happened,
yeah.
etc., all of that. So I think you have to, that sensitivity is there
Do
because
you
of,
discuss your work? Like, did you have a session with him before you said yes to Mirzapur, or your role was there? Is there now that you're married, for both of you, do you think you want the partner to be okay with the role that you're portraying on screen?
Discussion, but not like, I mean, I don't think there's ever been a time when we've asked each other for approval. Like, are you okay with it?
Or
not?
permission. No.
But yeah, no, I don't think so. And that's understood both ways.
But
and that's
opinion,
fine.
yes.
Opinion,
That
yes.
too.
But even with opinion, actually, it's a little. That's something I think we're a little careful with each other also, because when you're giving your feedback about something, like for example, you did a script. What do you think of the script? What do you think of this project? For example, right? But even that one has to be careful, because you may say that I may choose not to do something for various reasons. We're all in a different space in our life, and what you want to do. But the other person might, depending on how hungry they are, or so you kind of give your opinion, but that's a little muted.
Yeah.
It's not ki ye kya pass hai.
But most often you realize, I mean, the thing is that most often you realize that the other person is just looking to discuss and is thinking aloud.
Yeah.
They're not asking you कि हम करें या नहीं करें.
Yeah.
या वो आपसे ये भी नहीं पूछ रहे कि do you think I should do it or not. Maybe they're saying it like that, but they just want to sort of kind of talk through the pros and cons with you. And that's, I think you have to be available for that and look at it from their point of view. And that's always, I think,
that's helpful.
That's helpful. I feel very happy that I can be there for that, and I also feel very happy when he can be there for me. But I find it very nice that there is a space where this conversation can happen, and there's somebody else, and it enriches my own experience also. If I know he's going through something, I've kind of been able to relate it to something else that's happened to me, and I don't feel alone. Then I feel अच्छा ये सबके साथ हो रहा है, So.
Guys, you were amazing.
Thank you.
Mukesh, it didn't feel like we were chatting for the first time.
I felt like a proper red flag on this interview. I felt great. I felt so comfortable.
You came in as a green flag, now you're going as a green forest.
Red flag. Full on.
But honestly, you know what? It's our effort to show that being a feminist has nothing to do with gender. And whether you're a man or a woman, if you understand this, it's amazing. And both of you are. You're a superwoman, yeah? You're a feminist. It's a match made in heaven.
सब कुंडियाँ मिल गई.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is a fun chat.
you.
This is absolutely fun chat.